Hi everybody, welcome to 12 Days of Christmas Activities by Artsy Craftsy, Mom and me. Day 1 activity will be to make a Christmas wreath. Do you know what? It's made out of popsicle sticks. Awesome, right? Let's get started on our work. So we will need some popsicle sticks, red and green paint, glue, golden glitter, a sparkly pom-pom, artificial leaves, and some cardboard. First, we'll start by painting our popsicle sticks red and green. I'm done with my red ones. Now we'll do the green ones and put these ones aside to dry. And then painting 9 popsicle sticks of each color, and I'm gonna make some golden ones. We'll start by putting some glue on a popsicle stick and then some glitter on it. Like that. Pick it up and tap the extra glitter off. Then do the same for 18 more. We're done with our popsicle sticks, and now we're going to make the base of our wreath. First, we'll make a circle using a D and then a smaller circle inside it. Now we will cut it from the outside and the inside. We will fold it in half and then cut it. It's done now. Now we'll paint it green. Now it is dried, and now we will glue the sticks in a pattern of red, gold, green, gold. The popsicle sticks are done. Now we'll put a string to make the door holder and then put a cherry on a leaf. Our Christmas wreath is done. I hope you all enjoyed making this Christmas wreath with me. Do follow me on my page to watch more of my Christmas activities. Bye! See you next time. Do try this out and send the pictures in the comment section.